Hello FH5, this is Dr. Alex coming to you live from Irvine. We're going to talk about an overview of the FH5 idea, mission, programming. So this is just an introduction and we'll be going into more detail later. But let's talk about at least step one. When a client, member, anyone wants to meet with us, we're going to do an intake form. The intake form is going to tell us a lot of information of how even pre-planning how to treat, right? So the intake form is going to look at like their prehab or chief complaint. So do they have a complaint of pain or do they have a complaint of decreased performance? So either they have decreased performance because of pain, loss of mobility, strength, or they want to enhance the performance they already have. So it doesn't have to be necessarily a problem in terms of pain or prehab, but oftentimes that's where we're going to get them on the prehab basis because they have a chief complaint, and that's going to be, like a neck pain, like some sort of area, single joint that they're complaining about, or they can't turn their neck, it's painful, they can't lift their arm, it's painful. So in that terms, that chief complaint is going to be where we're going to get that prehab component. Next, I would say we're going to talk about posture and performance. So I would say making sure that we look at that postural component first. It's going to be what they do, what posture are they in throughout the day. And time's up.